So I had a couple things come in from Amazon today. This is the condition that the box came in, and I got a couple of other packages too. I ordered some boxes and some other various things, and noticing that this package was beaten open in shipping in some kind, I was concerned. So I went on and made sure that I got everything that I had actually ordered. I did. I received everything that I ordered properly. The stuff that I was worried about came in a different package. I had 4 packages arrive today, including this very large one. I did rip off the stickers, but this is the condition that it came in, beaten open like this. But what concerns me for more of a global matter would be what actually came in this package. So now we're going to open this package together, and we're going to take a look inside. So I ordered this. This is a pinch weld protector. You put it on your jack, and it's got a little groove that goes in the pinch weld there. That's it. That's what was in the box. They did put some packaging in there, some to make sure that it didn't get ruined. But that's it. That's the extent of what came in this box.